Hello, this class is about the lab that I have shared with you. I'll share it once again. This is the assignment that I have shared with you. It is a paragraph which contains a number of cliches, and you have to underline those cliches and replace them with your own words or phrases. I'll give you some examples. In this day and age, good teachers are few and far between. So, in this day and age, is one cliche, and few and far between is another cliche. You have to underline both of them and then rewrite this sentence, rewrite this entire paragraph so that these cliches are not there. Suppose you say, uh, nowadays or today, good teachers are very rare. So make it a little bit less poetic or dramatic and make it a little bit more simple, straightforward. My deepest, darkest secret is my desire to be one of those teachers. So, my deepest, darkest secret is another cliche. My wish or my deepest wish is, or my deepest desire, my only desire is to be one of those teachers, one that is worth her weight in gold. Again, worth her weight in gold is a cliche. So go ahead and change this, underline this first, and in the paragraph that you write, sorry, you are going to rewrite it in a different way. Works her fingers to the bone, another fingers to the bone, another cliche. Hand in hand with student, another cliche. Prepared them to meet the trials and tribulations of life. Trials and tribulations is another cliche. With an attitude like that, my first day of teaching was doomed to disappointment. Now, doomed to disappointment is another cliche. I was walking on air, another cliche. As I arrived at my first class, until I realized I had forgotten my keys. Okay, remove this. A wave of optimism washed over me. Wave of optimism, another cliche. Washed over me, another cliche. Or wave of optimism washed over me is a cliche. I sauntered up to the door. Sauntered is another cliche. Sauntered up to is another cliche. When back like a bolt from the blue is another cliche. Bolt from the blue. Later proven rotten to the core. Rotten to the core is a cliche. Right in my face, right in my face. Okay, that is something which we can avoid. It is a cliche, but we can avoid this. My anxiety was growing by leaps and bounds. Leaps and bounds is a cliche. As luck would have it, another cliche. Akashya came by and unlocked the door for me. I could sense the undercurrent of excitement. Undercurrent of excitement is a cliche. As I walked into the room and the mischievous student beat a hasty retreat. Beat a hasty retreat is a cliche. Anxious for my reaction, he breathed a sigh of relief. Sigh of relief is a cliche. When I decided not to make a tempest in a teapot, tempest in a teapot is a cliche. Cool as a cucumber is a cliche. The writing process is neither writing nor a process. This is a discussion topic, so we will not find any cliche in this. In the youthful glee, all the students, youthful glee is a cliche, but we'll avoid this here. All the students jumped on the bandwagon. Jumped on the bandwagon is a cliche. Slowly but surely, the humiliating experience. The slowly and but surely is another cliche. The humiliating experience became water under the bridge. So water under the bridge is a cliche. As I continue the uphill battle is a cliche. To become all that I can be is as an English teacher. So this I have explained all the cliches to you. I hope you will not have any problem replacing them. I'll stop sharing. Okay, replacing this cliche and underline these cliches one after the another. When you write your answer, the cliches should be underlined and A new paragraph should be written where the underlying cliches have been replaced by a simple word or a roundabout way of expressing it. Okay, so I think I have made myself enough clear. Go ahead and complete it and submit it on time, please. So bye.